Hello! Today, we'll be showing you how to replace the palm rest assembly in a Lenovo X131e Chromebook. First, you will need a few tools. An anti-static mat is recommended to prevent electrostatic discharge, which can damage electronic parts. A small, magnetic tip Phillips head screwdriver will be necessary for this replacement. A spudger will also come in handy during this replacement. You can use either plastic or metal, whichever you prefer. If you have tweezers, you may also want to have them handy, as they might be useful when dealing with small parts. The first step will be to remove the battery. Next, you will remove the two bottom cover screws. Now, you will loosen the three screws holding the bottom plate cover on, and then remove the bottom plate cover. Next, you will remove the two memory sticks. Now, you will remove the tape from the wires on the SD card and disconnect the two Wi-Fi antenna cables from the Wi-Fi card. Next, you will remove the SD card screw and then remove the SD card. Now, you will remove the Wi-Fi card screw and then remove the Wi-Fi card. Next, you will remove the four M2x8 screws. Now, you will remove the M2x5 hard drive case screw. Now, you will use your spudger to pry up the keyboard and then lift it and tilt it toward you. Next, you will disconnect the two keyboard cables and remove the keyboard. Now, you will remove the three M2x5 screws from under the keyboard. Next, you will disconnect the microphone cable. Now, you will disconnect the touchpad cable. Now, you will use your spudger to pry up and remove the palm rest assembly. The first step in the installation of your replacement palm rest assembly will be to snap it into place on the bottom cover. Now, you will reconnect the microphone cable. Now, you will reconnect the touchpad cable. Next, you will replace the 3 M2x5 screws under the keyboard. Now, you will reconnect the 2 keyboard cables and snap the keyboard into place. Next, you will replace the M2x5 hard drive case screw. Now, you will replace the 4 M2x8 screws. Now, you will replace the Wi-Fi card and the Wi-Fi card screw. Next, you will replace the SD card and the SD card screw. Now, you will reconnect the 2 Wi-Fi antenna cables to the Wi-Fi card. Next, you will tape down the 2 wires on the SD card. Now, you will replace the 2 memory sticks. Next, you will replace the bottom plate cover and tighten the 3 bottom plate cover screws. Now, you will replace the 2 bottom cover screws. The final step will be to replace the battery. You have now successfully replaced the palm rest assembly on your Lenovo Chromebook. Nice job!